Hello, today I would like to show you a ex-British Army ground spike antenna. This is a tactical VHF antenna that was meant to be put into ground, and as you can see it's very portable. You can carry it on your back by that strap. Everything is nicely put into that pouch. Here we have the radiating elements, and here the coax cable and the base. Here you can see the model. I hope you can see. The pouch is very nice and it's not that heavy, so if you are thinking on taking it for a trip, so yes, I think it's a very nice device. It do not need any antenna tuning. It have a built-in matching circuitry. So let's see what we've got over here. So first thing, we've got a coax cable, and this is a standard coax cable that you put on your PRC 351 or PRC 352 to connect to the antenna. So there is nothing fancy. Over here we've got our spike that you put into the ground, and after you put it into the ground you can use it on the Clansman ground spike antenna, which is over here. This is our base matching circuitry. Over here all the magic is happening, and over here you've got the information how many radiating elements you have to stick on top to get the covered frequency. So for example, if you would like to have like 35 megahertz, you would use 4 elements. If you would like to use like 55 megahertz, you use a 3 element. And as you can see, it's rated for 25 watts, which is exactly what you can get from the PRC 352 after the amplifier. The amplifier is rated for a 20 watt, so it's match a great complete. Here is the model number. Here we've got a cover that is hiding a standard BNC connector, and basically that's everything. Under that element I believe is a moisture absorbing element that you should once for a while heat up and remove the water that was catch. Okay, so we've got the 2 elements. You stick into the ground and then you put it like this, and that creates your antenna. And we should have one thing more, which is another coax cable, but this one is a little different. As you can see, there is a couple of weird zip ties put, and if you take a look, we've got a frequency, and I believe that coax is used when you are using this antenna elevated. There is a ground spike antenna elevating kit, and because that antenna is based on the ground, on the soil, if you put it on the Clansman mast, you lose your ground. So you've got a inductor device that is creating like artificial ground, and between that device on the mast you use a cable, and it have to be a special length, and then you choose one that have a correct frequency. But it's not used in normal scenario, like on the PRC320 when we use on the ground, on the soil. We just use a standard coax cable and everything will be fine. So let's see how the elements. So we've got 4 elements that are standard one, and we've got a 1 backup that is creating a full complete. They have a half meter length, 50 centimeter, and they are very easy to connect. As you can see, we've got the copper over here, and the other part is larger, and you just slide it just like that. So over here we've got 2 elements. So if you would like to operate on the frequency between 70 megahertz and 76, for example 71 megahertz, we've got our 2 elements, and we stack them. We put them into our base, and we just created our antenna, and it do not require any tuning. You can just stick it into the ground and it will working. I'm pretty sure it won't be a great antenna, that will be a compromise, but you don't need to have any antenna tuning unit. So it's very nice, very small, very nice set. As you can see, we can easily dismount it and put everything back. So yes, this is quite nice antenna. I do not work on that frequency, so for me it's more like a collection piece, but maybe I will take it for a field testing and try on the citizen band frequency, because that will operate, I believe that 27 megahertz, it should work. Maybe we can check it. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.